In this video, I'm going to discuss with you some basic errors done by many students when they do math. For example, when they simplify, they do this mistake. Say, for example, 3 plus 5 divided by 3. The mistake they do is that they simply cancel these 3 and 3 and they get the answer as 5, which is not correct, wrong. The correct answer is 3 plus 5 divided by 3 is, first you have to add 5 and 3, which is 8, 8 over 3. The correct answer is this. You have to remember when you have plus or minus in between these two numbers, you cannot cancel top and bottom. But if you have like this 3 times 5 over 3, yes, you can cancel. That is correct. The answer is 5. Why? 3 times 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this method is correct. But this method cannot be applied here when you have plus or minus in between. So you can do cancellation top and bottom only when you have multiplication in between. That is the first, the basic mistake done by many students. Then I go to next example. If you are given, say, subtract 5 from 8. Most of the students rush to do like this, 5 minus 8. And they give the answer as -3, which is again wrong. This is actually misunderstand or not understanding properly the language. If I write this same sentence like this, from 8 subtract 5. So in English, this and this are the same meaning. But if you do this question, from 8 subtract 5, then you write 8 minus 5, which is 3. This is the correct answer. Since they see for the number 5 first, they rush to write like this, 5 minus 8, which is wrong. Let's go to the next basic fundamental errors done by the students. Again, say subtract x minus 2 from 2x plus 8. So what they do, they first do x minus 2, then subtract 2x plus 8. Then they simplify it like this. Like terms x minus 2x, x minus 2x minus x, minus 2 plus 8 plus 6. This gives wrong answer. You should do like this. Subtract x minus 2 from this. So this is the first one. 2x plus 8 minus x minus 2. Then you have like terms here. 2x minus x, 8 minus 2 plus 6. But still, this is again still wrong. Why? So 2x plus 8, that's correct. You have to write 2x plus 1 is 2x plus 8 first. Then, because you are subtracting from this, then you have to write that first. Then subtract. Subtract means this. You must remember, when you subtract two terms together, x minus 2 together, you have to put a bracket here, x minus 2. The mistake many students do here is that they don't put this bracket here so that they get a wrong answer. So that you have to now remove the bracket. 2x plus 8. Remember here you have 1 is understood. Nobody writes here 1. If you don't have any number here, it means the 1. So this is negative 1. Then you remove the brackets, means you do this like this. You multiply negative 1 with x, then you get negative x. Negative 1 times negative 2. Negative 1 times negative 2. So negative times negative, positive. So then you get positive 2. Then you do like terms 2x minus xx. 8 plus 2, 10. So this is the correct answer. So in these two occasions, you get wrong answers. First thing is that you did not understand properly the language. Second one, you understood the language, but you did not understand proper algebra. Yeah, you have to put the bracket because you have two terms. You are subtracting not only x, not only 2, both together. Therefore, you have to put the, then you will get the answer of x plus 10. Right. Then let's move to next basic error done by many students. Say a plus b to the power 2. Simply they do like this: a square plus b square, which is wrong. The correct answer is a plus b to the power 2 is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Remember, when you raise or when you have power 2, here exponent 2, here, you should have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1. So you must have 3 terms. 3 terms. If you do this, you will have only 2 terms, which is wrong. For example, a plus b to the power 3 must have 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because your exponent is 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So you must have 4 terms. So many students do this mistake. Even grade 11, 12 students say like this: 3a plus 2b to the power 2. So you must have 3 terms because your exponent is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. You must have 3 terms. So first one is a squared, which is now 3a. Instead of a, now you have 3a. 3a squared means 9a squared. Then multiply these two together. 3 times 2, 6. A times b, ab. Then multiply this by 2. So 6ab times 2 is 12ab. So you should put here 12. 12ab. Last term is this, like here. Instead of b, now you have 2b, then 2b whole thing square, 4b square. Since you have plus here, you put plus, plus, likewise. In trigonometry, many students misunderstand this equation. Sine theta equals 0.5. They cannot understand the meaning of this. They think that sine is a variable. This is a variable. So to isolate theta, they do like this. 0.5 divided by sine, which is meaningless. This is an English word, not a variable. In equations, you have this is an equation. So in an equation, normally you have variables. Many students think that the sine is a variable. This is sine, S-I-N-E. So in short, we write it S-I-N. But this is a word, not a variable. If I expand this sine theta, we can say sine ratio of angle theta. So the meaning of this sine theta, meaning of this is sine ratio of angle theta equals 0.5. Since we cannot write everything in our equation, we make it shorter. So we remove this, we remove these words. Let me write sine theta equals 0.5. Now you may understand that this psi and sine is not a variable. It is a short form of a phrase. Sine ratio of angle theta is 0.5. Then from this, how do you find theta? You have to do the opposite of it. Inverse of it. Sine inverse 0.5. Not like this. I think you got some idea about the basic mistakes done by many students.